At midnight on January 23rd, 1555, a magnitude 8.25 earthquake occurred in Shaanxi, and Henan, China. The epicenter of the quake located in Huaxie, a county of Shaanxi Province, China. It contains three parts: foreshock, main shock, and aftershock. The foreshock occurred at around 3 p.m. and the main shock happened between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. After the severe main shock, there were dozens of aftershocks almost every day within a few weeks. And then the frequency was reduced to 3 to 5 times a month over time, and gradually stopped after 5 years. The death toll was roughly 830,000. According to historical records, 101 cities were destroyed, covering nearly 280,000 square kilometers. And the earthquake was felt by people around the region of 1 million square kilometers. The Shaanxi earthquake was caused by continental collision, and the geological structure of Shaanxi province was the main reason that the earthquake was so tragic. According to the research, the Weihe Valley in Shaanxi is an east-west lowland, whereas the sharply uplifted Qinling Mountains are located to the south of it, creating a difference of elevation in nearly 2,000 meters. When the continental boundaries were moving towards, two distinct terrains with a massive height difference were much more likely to break apart than flat areas. More importantly, loess, a sort of layer of loose and fragile soil, is widely distributed in this area. That, once the earthquake occurred, the consequences would be catastrophic. The landslide caused by the earthquake blocked the Yellow River, resulting in the countercurrent, which eventually triggered the 5-kilometer movement of the Weihe River to the north. Historical data also shows that there have been 25 destructive earthquakes in the Weihe Valley since 1189 BCE.
430,000 people lost their lives from the earthquake, and 10,000 of constructions collapsed. However, 1556 also the third year of consecutive severe drought and famine in China. The quake occurred in winter, so the turmoil caused by hunger, cold, and the plague in the following year brought nearly 400,000 deaths. There are two main reasons for the tremendous death toll followed by the earthquake. Firstly, the poor transportation system prevented officials from coming to supply relief aid after the quake until February of next year. Secondly, the medical conditions were extremely terrible at the time, so that the injured cannot get any effective treatment. The accumulation of corpses also led to the plague. People in the disaster zone without available assistance expected to vent frustrations with the government. In addition, many local officials died while the earthquake, resulting in administrative chaos. Therefore, Shaanxi had huge social and political unrest at the time, which indirectly contributed to the future uprising led by Zhenyu, promoting the demise of the Ming dynasty.